Hey everyone, good afternoon. At least it's afternoon here. We are working on a Kawasaki frame today. We're going to be sandblasting, powder coating, making it look all nice and new. Here we have, I think a customer said it was an 86 Kawasaki Tecate. It's a four-wheeler, not many of them around. He got lucky at finding this frame. It's in a little hard shape, but we're going to see if we can't make it look better anyway. As you can see, I got some stuff sandblasted already. Now we just got the frame left to go. See if we can't make that look a little nicer and go from there. Alright, here we are. We've got a zinc primer sprayed on this Tecate frame. It's a zinc rich epoxy primer. Now we are going to get ready to spray the Kawasaki green for it. Make sure and while your compressor comes on, I'll be right back. Alright, we are done with that Kawasaki frame, but before I show you, I want you to click that subscribe button that's showing, if it is. I'm trying something new here. In the meantime, if you like this, want to see more, click like, click subscribe, let me know, tell me what you think, and see if we can make this channel any better. In the meantime, here it is. All nice and green. You see it's nice and shiny. There's the rear subframe here that's all done. Front headlight brackets. Couple other brackets and the front bumper. So yeah, no longer blue, no longer peeling, rusting, flaking. It was done with a zinc primer, topped with Kawasaki green. And there we have it. Time to make another customer happy and get this on the way. So till next time, stay warm, keep it loud.